Hello my friends and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now today I'm doing spam fried rice. Spam fried rice, I hear you say? Well yes, fried rice is my preferred comfort food dish and fried spam is absolutely delicious. So let's get on and cook it. So to make spam fried rice, first of all we need to prepare the individual ingredients. First of all I'm going to put about half a tablespoon of vegetable oil into a wok. And when the oil gets hot, I'm going to add 2 beaten eggs. Stir them up. Basically we're going to scramble these eggs and then we're going to add them back into the fried rice later on. Just keep it moving around, break up the little omelette to scramble it. Give it a toss and cook it until the egg is starting to brown, but like a nice bit of colour to my egg and my fried rice. And then put the egg to one side. Next, I'm going to take my famous spam. I've cut it up into 4 slices, each slice around about 1 centimetre or just under 1 centimetre thick. And into the same wok, I'm going to put a scant amount of vegetable oil and then add the 4 slices of spam. Now we just want to cook each side until it's golden brown, like so. Then take them out. And first of all, cut them up into halves lengthways, and then dice them up into bite-sized dices. Next, put a bit more oil into the pan, so we have around about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the wok. And to that I'm going to add 1 medium onion, chopped roughly. There seems a lot of oil in here, but in a fried rice dish you kind of need a lot of oil because you need that oil to coat all of the grains of rice that you're going to put in. Next I add half a red pepper, which has been roughly chopped too. You want to cook those down for a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of MSG, monosodium glutamate. You don't need to put that in, but it will improve the flavour dramatically. I'm also going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You don't want to put too much salt in this because the spam itself is very salty, and so is the soy sauce that I'm going to put in later. And the next goes in is half a teaspoon of garlic paste. It's the equivalent of about 2 cloves of garlic sliced. Cook the garlic in for a little while, don't overcook it, don't burn it. And then I add 3 spring onions, again roughly chopped. Just move them around, keep them moving, let them cook through. Give it a toss. The tossing actually, as well as looking good, it actually cools down the ingredients. Next I'm going to put in the spam that we cut up earlier. Again, mix it up, keep it moving around, because remember this oil is hot, the pan is on full heat. And then next I put in the egg I made earlier. Wok cooking always has to be very, very hot. You put it on your maximum heat every time. Toss it around, make sure nothing burns. And next I'm adding 200 grams of pre-cooked rice. Cooked this the day before, kept it in the fridge. Now it looks brown because I've added a little bit of soy sauce to the rice before adding it to the pan. Give it a good mix. Let that rice soak up all the flavour, and like I said, all that oil that you put in needs to coat all the grains to make it nice and moist. I like my fried rice to be slightly darker, so I've added a bit more soy sauce, dark soy sauce. So to mix it all in, and basically once it's heated through, your dish is done. Spam fried rice. Who would have thought? An unusual combination, but an absolutely delicious dish. Give it a go. Many thanks for watching. If you did like this video, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I make in future. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Peace, love, take care my friends.